Well, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. I'm making a training coaching video here on something that's very important and something that I feel is extremely appropriate for this point in time. We all know the market's a little sloppy right here and it's a little choppy. And this is what happens to a lot of people. And I've seen it through the years. In fact, I've seen it through the decades. They say, well, there's nothing going to go on. I'm just going to leave. And this is a business. Picture this. You own a store. You have to be there when the business is open. You'll miss customers. You'll miss opportunity. The analogy is it's the same here. We have to be here. We have to monitor it. We have to be prepared. It's part of the business plan. Now know this, when I say this, I am not saying that we have to be investing. We have to be doing things every day, buying and selling. No, I'm saying always be ready, have a positive mental attitude. It's a great quote, similar to a great quote that I read years ago. I never met a wealthy pessimist. The idea that we're ready, we're prepared. We know what to look for, and we know what to do, and we have the patience and the discipline and the focus to wait for it. A lot of people start, when the market gets like this, they look and say, there ain't nothing going on. I'm quitting. I'm done. Okay, I'm going to do something else. Always be ready. Bear markets have not been outlawed. Bull markets have not been outlawed. You have to be ready. In a society, a capitalistic society, opportunities will present themselves and markets will lift. Stocks will lift. It is not an opinion. It's a fact. It's been that way through history and it will continue. That's a fact. I've been doing this since 1986. I've seen good markets. I've seen bad markets. But one thing I know for sure, we have to be ready, always ready. A lot of people get kind of negative and say, there's nothing going to happen here. Forget it. Let's just leave it alone. Look back here. You see this decline? It's below the falling 50-day. It's below the 200-day. It's below the 21-day exponential. And it's below the 8-period exponential. There's nothing good here. I'm just going to sit, I'm going to do something else. And you leave. We have to be prepared because we don't know the future. When we accept the fact that we don't know the future, we see the future more clearly. That's my own thought. I'm not saying that to be arrogant, but it's the truth. Through years of experience, not just in this, but in other realms, being prepared. You see this right here back in 2020? Nothing's good. It's below all the moving averages. Forget it. I quit or I'm going to do something else. I'm not going to look at the charts. Again, it's a business. This is why we have Mission Winners. We look at the charts. We are always prepared. We don't have preconceived notions. We just get in line with what is. In this decline, we're out. We stay out. There's no problem. Advance it. It's like, oh, it lifts up. It's a start, maybe. One of the best setups we have is what? And this is for everybody. The higher low setup. It shows a reversal of a trend. So it lifts up. Okay, maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, yeah, that's okay. That's all right. Yeah, okay, an inside bar. Oh, it's up just a little bit. Oh, see, it's starting to fall again. Nope, there's nothing good here. Just an inside bar. Okay, well, here's something interesting. This low is higher than this low. The higher low setup. It may indicate a change of trend, but we'll wait for the trigger. It hasn't triggered yet. We'll just watch and see. Nothing special there. Oh, look, it takes off right here. Look at this lift, and it lifts off on a pickup in volume. And folks, this is back in 2020. You see the date there when I put the cursor on that bar? April 6th, 2020. It lifts. We could have been negative. We missed all of this, and you can ask veteran VIPs. They'll tell you, we missed this decline. It does this. Many people said they quit looking at the charts, and they missed this, and this, and this, and this, and this. From here, watch this. From that higher low setup right here, all the way up to here, that's 100 points on the spiders. 100. That changes lives. 100 points. And note the nice trend. So what's the moral of the story? We have the discipline to wait, but we are prepared every day. At Mission Winners, we're looking, not day trading, not doing anything fancy, simply getting in line with what is. A lot of people got complacent or said there's nothing going to happen, and they missed this. All right? We didn't. We were prepared for it. It's a business, and we run it like one. So right now, this is where we're at. By the way, you see this right here, this chop fest? And you see the higher low, where this low is higher than this low? We bought here and here, and that was a good run right there too. All right? We're always prepared. I'll make this a little bigger. This is what's happening as of today, which is April 26th, 2022. And it's falling. Where's it going to go? I don't know the future, but I do know this. Eventually it will turn. And when it does, we will be prepared. And I hope that you will be also. So don't get frustrated. Don't get mad. Don't get angry. I'm asking you, please don't try to get even. Get in line with what's happening. Control risk. Study the charts and be prepared. Because when you least expect it, like this slop right here, when you least expect it, you can get a good run and make really good money.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.